Yeah, here I go again, home alone again, rolling up and lighting up with all of my demons. Cause no matter what I say, they still come to play. So might as well just blaze.
Might as well just blaze.
I hope that was the intro that you needed from me, and I hope that paints the picture that I'm kinda crazy. Cause I mean, listen, I'm not kidding, I've been quite the fucking villain. I've been killing for a living, nothing stopping me from winning.
That's why few things get attention, why she don't get me mentioned. I'm too
hot for the aggression, I'm too busy for the kiss shit. I've been running my own business on my targets I've been hitting. And yeah, I'm fucking skinny, but I promise that I'm eating. There's blood dripping from my teeth, my name echoes through the streets. I'm an icon in the scene,
I'm a savage in the sheets.
I'm a god in the making. I mean, that's why they crown me king. And if he thinks he'll dethrone me,
don't make me laugh. Don't make me giggle.
don't make me
laugh.
Yo, what's tickled?
like, who do you think you are? You better find out who I am before you step too far. Like,
Who do you think you are? You
better find out who I am. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me
giggle.
Don't make me
laugh. Don't make me giggle. Don't make me.
Here I go again, cutting my loose ends off my head, a list of friends. Man, this cycle never ends, so many snakes playing pretend. But I know in the end, karma's my best friend, and she don't need a helping hand. They laugh cause I'm different, I laugh cause they're the same. You see what I did there, you see, I am insane. My smile has turned crooked, my teeth are into blame. And yeah, you'd be stupid if I wasn't on your
There's
team.
blood dripping from my teeth, my name echoes through the streets. I'm an icon in the scene, I'm a savage in the sheets.
I'm a god in the making. I mean, that's why they crown me king. And if he thinks he'll dethrone me,
don't make me laugh.
don't make me
giggle. Don't make me laugh.
You're tickled. Like, who do you think you are? Better find out who I am before you step too far. Like,
Who do you think you are? You better find out who I am before you step too
Don't
far.
make me laugh. Don't make me giggle. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me giggle. Don't make me.
Next Sound Studio. My name is JAYSE Vegas. Can I get a yeah? Can I get a yeah?